Hello and hi friends, welcome back to Krishna's tutorials. In this video we are discussing about the notifications, AP LAWCET and Pglcet notifications which got released. AP Common Entrance Test, AP LAWCET and AP Pglcet 2023 will be conducted on 20 May 2023. So mainly AP LAWCET and Pglcet are for the admissions into the LLB courses, 3 and 5 years and 2 years of LLM course for the academic year 2023 to 2024. Eligible candidates can submit their application through online mode. There is no offline mode, so you need to apply online through the official website, and registration and processing fee for OC 900, BC 850, SC and ST 800 for LLB courses, and for LLM course OC 1000, BC 950, SC and ST category 900. So these are the important dates. Commencement of submission of online application is on 23rd. It already started, and last date is 22nd April 2023. So the date and time for entrance exam is 20 May 2023 from 3 to 4:30 p.m. So this is the official website. You can go through. And coming to the notifications in the detailed way, this is the instruction booklet where you will be finding a tabular form of fee payment. You can just choose the category where you belong to. So 3-year, 5-year LLB course, we have OCBC, SC, ST's fees categories here, and as well as LLM. You can just go through it and just pay accordingly. Important dates. So notifications have already released on 22nd March 2023. So the online applications already started on 23rd. So last date is 22nd April 2023. Last date without late fee is 22nd, and with the late fee of 500, 29 April, and with late fee of 1000, 5th May, and with late fee of 2000, 9th May. You can just check it. And if you have any corrections in the online application, if that already submitted online application, then you need to change it, correct it by 10th or 11th May. After that, you will not be able to change it. So hall tickets can be downloaded from 15th May onwards. Date and time of AP LAWCET and AP Pglcet as we seen in the earlier notifications PDF. It is on 20th May 2023. The time is 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eligibility for admissions, 3 years LLB course. The candidate should complete their degree in 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern from a recognized university with a 45% of aggregate marks. So if any candidate secured less than 45%, he or she should pass the additional graduate or postgraduate degree with 45% aggregate marks. And if someone, for example, have not scored 45% or have scored less than 45%, then they need to complete their additional graduate and they need to complete their additional graduate to apply for the 3 years LLB course. Then in that additional graduate, they need to score 45% of aggregate marks. 5 years LLB course, 10+2 pattern, where after inter you can just apply with 45% of aggregate marks should be there, and there is a relaxation of 5% for 3 years and 5 years law courses for SC and ST category. So for SC and ST category, they can have 40% of marks. For BC, 3% relaxation. That means 42%. 2 years LLM course candidates should complete their 3 years or 5 years LLB degree. So they are eligible for LLM course. So here we can just check it. There is a tabular form where for OC candidates it is compulsory 45% in both 3 years and 5 years. For BC candidates 42% both 3 years and 5 years. SC and ST 40% both in both 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. For LLM, the person should hold 3 years or 5 years degree. So mere appearance in AP LAWCET or Pglcet is not can't be a source of admission. So you need to follow up with counseling, etc. You need to satisfy all eligibility criteria so that you'll be getting admission into the concerned university. The applicant who have obtained 10+2 or graduation, post-graduation through a single sitting system directly without having any qualification, basic qualification, then they are not eligible for the admission into the law courses. So single sitting system, the candidate who writes their exams in a single sitting system without any basic qualification, they are not allowed. They are not eligible for the admission into the law courses. Nationality and domicile. The candidate should be an Indian national. So, and should satisfy local, non-local status requirement as laid in Andhra Pradesh Educational Institution Regulations of Admission Order 1974. So here there is an important thing here. ITI as a basic qualification, the candidate who has ITI as basic qualification is not eligible for appearing the LAWCET examination. So coming to the centers of entrance test, these are the centers. You can just accordingly. Mostly according to your districts, there are the regional centers. You can just check it. And coming to next points. However, convener reserves the right to allot candidates to any other centers in unavoidable circumstances. If in case you belongs to one regional center, but you have been allotted into another district, that means there is no no allotment in that regional center. That means that has been completely filled up. So you will be allotted into the different centers also due to some unavoidable circumstances. He reserves the rights. Medium of entrance test. AP LAWCET will be conducted in English and Telugu. AP Pglcet will be conducted in English only. LAWCET, AP LAWCET is designed like this. The basic difference is for 5 years law course, the standard is intermediate level, and for 3 years law course, the standard is degree level. But the pattern, the syllabus, almost it is same. So here we have total of 120 questions with 90 minutes duration and maximum marks are 120. That means one question carries 1 mark. Part A consists of 30 questions carrying 30 marks, where you will be finding general knowledge and mental ability questions. Part B consists of 30 questions carrying 30 marks, where you will be finding current affairs. Part C consists of 60 questions carrying 60 marks, where you will be finding aptitude for the study of law. So, in aptitude for the study of law, there are some basic principles of the law and Constitution of India. So, this is the syllabus overall, and I would like to remind you that KRISHNA'S tutorials app provides you fully solved previous year papers, fully solved mock papers, and detailed report card. So we also provide a free test series. Please do try it, and it will be helpful for your preparation. So coming to APPGLCET. So APPGLCET has 120 questions of 1 mark each, 90 minutes, the same thing as LAWCET, but the pattern is different, the syllabus is different because the standard is high. Part A consists of 40 questions, jurisprudence and constitutional law. Jurisprudence 20 questions, 20 marks, constitutional law 20 questions, 20 marks. Total of 40 questions. And remaining 80 questions, 80 marks are from in part B are from public international law 16 marks, 16 questions, mercantile law 16 questions, 16 marks, labor law 16 questions, 16 marks, crimes and torts 16 questions and 16 marks, and IPR and other laws 16 questions and 16 marks. The questions will be of objective type including multiple choice questions. You need to select any one option accordingly. So the qualifying percentage of marks in AP LAWCET 2023 is 35%, where you need to score 42 marks out of 120 marks. There will be no minimum qualifying mark for SC and ST ranking. So qualifying marks in PGLCET 2023 is 25%, where you need to score 30 marks out of total 120. So here also there is no minimum qualifying mark for SC and ST categories for ranking. AP LAWCET 2023 results. So basically everything will be evaluated and checked, scrutinized carefully. So there will be no retotaling, reevaluating. So coming to the ranking, the candidates will be ranked in order of merit based on the marks obtained in AP LAWCET 2023, AP PGLCET 2023. So in case of tie, the relative rank will be decided as mentioned below. If you got tied with the other candidate, then part C of AP LAWCET will be considered. If then also the tie persists, then part B will be considered. And if then also the tie persists, then the seniority in the age will be considered. The person who is senior in age, he or she will be considered the higher rank. Rank obtained in AP LAWCET 2023 is valid for the admission into 3-year or 5 years law courses of the academic year 2023-2024 only. So you need to write, if you want to attempt for 2024 and 2025, you need to write AP LAWCET 2024 again. You only have a chance for the admission to the present academic year itself. AP PGLCET 2023 results. So here also the same criteria. No retotaling, reevaluation will be entertained. And ranking, coming to the ranking, if anyone has got their marks tied, then part A will be considered. If the part A will be, if the tie persists, then the seniority in age will be considered. Same as AP LAWCET criteria. So the candidates are advised to download the rank card from the website after 1 week of publication of results. In case of any difficulty in downloading the rank card, the candidates are advised to contact convener's office. So this is the official website link. So you need to download your rank cards after 1 month of publication of the result. Syllabus. Here they have given it in clear way. So you can just refer to it and just note it down so that it will be clear for your preparation. Pglcet syllabus. So coming to the general information instructions, the convener reserves the right to reject the application of any candidate at any stage. So if the application is incomplete, then the convener has the rights to reject, or if the information given in it is false or incorrect also, they can just cancel your application and reject your application. So AP convener will be not responsible for wrong selection of entrance test examination to be attempted. So you need to check it and you need to choose it carefully. Any change of caste or community status or category shall not be permitted to be made in the filled in application once it is submitted to the convener. So you need to check and just choose the correct caste and community status, so that again there will be not uh, you will not get a chance to correct it. So you need to choose it carefully. The convener is not responsible for the non-submission of application. So you need to submit, and that whole risk belongs to you. So he will not be responsible for your non-submission. Candidates should preserve the hall ticket to produce it at the time of test and later at the time of entry into the course. You need to preserve your hall ticket. Applicants can download hall ticket from this website, and we will notify you when the hall tickets releases, and every notification and every information will be given to you. So please subscribe to Krishna's tutorials. The appearance at AP LAWCET does not entitle any candidate to be considered for entry into the course automatically. So you have lot of process. Then after your admission test, you need to go through the counseling and everything. So the minimum qualifying mark will be benefiting the SC and ST categories, and the rank obtained with the benefit of relaxation of minimum qualifying mark claiming to belong to SC and ST category will be cancelled in case the claim is found invalid later or at any point of time. If you choose your category as SC or ST, and then if they found that you are not belonging to that category, then they can cancel your qualifying mark after your examination also, and you will be cancelled and it will be invalid. The selection of candidates and allotment to the colleges will be based on the rank obtained in the common entrance test and other conditions. Candidate will not be permitted into exam hall after scheduled time on the date of entrance test. So be on time and just complete your exam. So yes, candidates are advised to practice the mock tests placed in the websites and familiarize with the mode of attempting the online test. So once again, I am reminding you about the fully solved previous year papers we provide in Krishna's tutorials app. Please download it, and it will be helpful for you to crack your AP LAWCET or TS LAWCET whatsoever. So thanks for watching.